Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Growing English words.
Somber. Somber is an adjective. It means dark, gloomy, sad, serious. For example, the businessman wore a somber blue suit.
The businessman wore a somber blue suit.
Notable. Notable is an adjective. It means deserving of attention, outstanding. For example, William Shakespeare is a notable author for his works.
William Shakespeare is a notable author for his works.
Dormant. Dormant is an adjective. It means in a sleep-like state. Not active, but able to become active. For example, Mount Apo, found in the island of Mindanao, is a dormant volcano.
Mount Apo, found in the island of Mindanao, is a dormant volcano.
Idle. Idle is an adjective. It means doing nothing, not working. For example, the cars are idle because they are not in use.
The cars are idle because they are not in use.
Animated. Animated is an adjective. It means alive or seeming to be alive, full of energy, lively. For example, the movie Toy Story is an animated film.
The movie Toy Story is an animated film.
Slither. Slither is a verb. It means to move with sliding, side-to-side motion of the body. For example, the snake slithered its way through the garden.
The snake slithered its way through the garden.
Ripple. Ripple is a verb. It means to form small waves. For example, the movement of the fish rippled the surface of the pond.
The movement of the fish rippled the surface of the pond.
Petrify. Petrify is a verb. It means to make rigid with terror, to terrify, to change into a stone-like substance. For example, the people were petrified after visiting the haunted house of horror last Halloween.
The people were petrified after visiting the haunted house of horror last Halloween.
Convalesce. Convalesce is a verb. It means to get back health and strength after an illness. For example, after my operation, I will convalesce at home.
After my operation, I will convalesce at home.
Bask. Bask is a verb. It means to relax where it is pleasantly warm. For example, iguanas often bask in the sun.
Iguanas often bask in the sun.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pen and paper.
Group the words that go together.
Quick.
Lazy.
Animated. Energetic.
Sluggish.
Slow.
Activated.
Animated. Energetic. Activated. Quick. These all mean alert. Famous.
Ordinary.
Superstar. Unimportant.
Notable.
Regular.
Household name.
Notable. Famous. Superstar. Household name. These all mean somebody. Diligent.
Productive.
Idle. Empty.
Active.
Not serious.
Idle. Empty. Not serious. These all mean useless. Sunny.
Bleak.
Dull. Bright.
Somber.
Grim.
Excited.
Somber. Bleak. Dull. Grim. These all mean down. Lively.
Active.
Dormant. Asleep.
Passive.
Alert.
On the shelf.
Dormant. On the shelf. Asleep. Passive. These all mean down. Hide.
Not expose oneself. Cover.
Bask.
Lounge.
Toast oneself.
Bask. Lounge. Toast oneself. These all mean relax. Mend.
Convalesce.
Improve. Break.
Get well.
Kill. Weaken.
Convalesce. Get well. Improve. Mend. These all mean restore. Remain.
Curl.
Ripple. Stay.
Quiver.
Be still. Coil.
Ripple. Coil. Curl. Quiver. These all mean splash. Thicken.
Harden.
Calm.
Petrify.
Soften.
Liquefy.
Petrify. Harden. Thicken. These all mean solidify. Sneak.
Glide.
Crawl. Rise.
Slither.
Receive.
Stay in place.
slither, crawl, glide, sneak. These all mean move. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pen and paper.
Supply the correct vocabulary.
Number 1. Everyone listened to Maury's deep ideas. It was clear that they were not issues.
The answer is idle. Everyone listened to Maury's deep ideas. It was clear that they were not idle issues.
Number 2. That night there was an discussion among students for their party games.
The answer is animated. That night there was an animated discussion among students for their party games.
Number 3. The students enjoyed the museum trip when they saw astronomers of centuries past.
The answer is notable. The students enjoyed the museum trip when they saw notable astronomers of centuries past.
Number 4. Fred went to the party feeling ill and remained throughout the meal.
The answer is somber. Fred went to the party feeling ill and remained somber throughout the meal.
Number 5. Bears are during winter.
The answer is dormant. Bears are dormant during winter.
Number 6. While whales enjoy swimming, seals love to under the sun.
The answer is bask. While whales enjoy swimming, seals love to bask under the sun.
Number 7. A of cold air flashed on Ahmed's face and made him shiver.
The answer is ripple. A ripple of cold air flashed on Ahmed's face and made him shiver.
Number 8. The prisoners escaped by laying on their stomachs and, like a snake.
The answer is slithering. The prisoners escaped by laying on their stomachs and slithering like a snake.
Number 9. The dead tree into stone.
The answer is petrified. The dead tree petrified into stone.
Number 10. Good news. The president is from leg injuries.
The answer is convalescing. Good news. The president is convalescing from leg injuries.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.